Hey there, this is Miss Leahy with another short video. This one is going to explain how to do the Book Bento or flat lay book project from Language Arts. We're starting off as usual up in the upper left corner, clicking on the plus sign. You're going to choose the standard size of 1 by 1, which is really just an Instagram post. Your post will be a white square. So the first thing I recommend, remember from previous use, we have the menus over here, or the menu over here. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going to first go to Elements because I want to set up a background for my flat lay or Book Bento. I choose Backgrounds in the Elements menu, and then I choose something that I think would be appropriate for my story. Or my book. So in this case, I want a blue background. Maybe it's because I'm doing a book that's related to the ocean. So I hit blue, and I actually really like this background. So I'm going to click on that. It kind of looks like an ocean. We can always come back and change this. I'll show you that in a moment. I'm closing that Elements menu, and now I'm going to find a media right here. And I'm going to start searching for images that relate to my story, including the name of the book. So if you search in here and you don't find the name of the book, you're welcome to come up and open up a new tab. Type in the name of your book. Click on Images. You know how to do this. You're going to download an image. I'm going to click on this, right click, choose Save Image As. That's great. I'm clicking on Save. And you're going back to your project, and this time you're choosing Upload from Device. And when you click Upload from Device on a Chromebook, you remember you'll have a word that says Recent. And if you click on that word Recent, you'll see your picture. I'm going to click on mine. And now I can click and I can drag this over to a place where I think it's appropriate. My background may not be that great now because I can hardly see my book. So I'm going to click back on the background. I'm going to go to Elements. I'm going to go back to Backgrounds. I'm still going to go back to blue because I want that ocean kind of thing. So this time I'm just going to choose a lighter one. Maybe this one would be better. Yep, I like that one. Now I'm going to go back to Media, and I'm just going to use this Search Photos area to find other pictures that I think will relate to my book. Just for an example, I'm going to type in shell, and I'm picking this shell just to show you another technique relating to this that'll make your project look really great. If you click on the picture and then you come over here to remove background, in just a moment, without any more clicking, your background will be removed and you can resize that picture. Remember, we grab a corner. If you grab a side, you're actually going to start cutting off pieces of your picture in Adobe. That's what happens when you grab a side instead of it just being distorted like in Google. Alrighty, so you just keep doing that over and over again in your media. You can type in what you're looking for, and then it'll probably show up a really good choice for you down through here. And of course, if it doesn't, you're welcome to come up and go do a Google search for an image and download it to upload it to this. Now, when you're finished, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to click up here on the upper left corner and you're going to name it your first name, your last initial, just like usual. And then I think your teacher will be calling it flat lay. And you can just type in flat lay project and then click away. It'll actually be renamed there. And then you're going to choose download. When you choose download, you're going to just use the default, it's PNG, and click download. And when you download it, it's downloading automatically since you're using a Chromebook to your Google Drive. And that's awesome. Thanks for listening.